Hi people. In this YouTube class that I attended online 3-hour class, they had said you should stick to one particular genre. So maybe I should only talk of books and all, but that would get too boring, yeah. And I like making these random vlogs. They just make me so happy. So correct. Among the nail polishes I picked up was Lakme 9 to 5 primer plus gloss nail color, and this is the color, and it is a bit loud, I'll be honest, but at least it is, I feel it is classy loud rather than just loud. So yeah, so that is something. Now I'll go and eat my breakfast, and I have to clear up and do a lot of things. I'll catch you all soon enough. So this is the 9 to 5. This is just 10 bucks more than the regular, that color crush, but I think and this is, I didn't check for the, what's it called, the grams. Yeah, this 6 ml. I wonder how many ml is that. If I have a thing, I'll check it. But yeah, so I would recommend this particular Lakme 9 to 5. I think it's beautiful. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.